Wow. Ooh la la, look at this. Very, very nice. Good evening, ladies. How are you? You have the Bali love? Woo! Just go across and show you Capri. It's quite busy inside Capri. It's actually just setting up for the music. Hello. Busy in there. Seminyak Bali. Much deals. Beautiful pictures available for you to purchase in here. Little restaurant, drinking place with a little cart there. Wow, nice collection of handbags. Louis Vuitton. Oh, very, very nice. Lucia Resort. Okay, so here's a start point for tonight's video. This is actually the entrance to Double Six Beach. Quite a few tourists coming off here. We'll just start with the beach first of all. Wow, so it's quite busy. Actually busy on the beach here. Lots of tourists in this area. This is Seminyak Beach. So we're going to head along the street of Jalan Camplung Tanduk in tonight's video, which is just straight ahead here.
Yes, brother, bye.
We have Ocean Grand Beach there. Not sure what that is. It's like ice cream here. Dolmaro coffee and gelato. Moonlight. This is a hotel accommodation here. Yes, it is. The Grand Seminyak. We're at the Grand Seminyak. They have another. Oh, this is Gado. I featured this. Gado. Featured that in a video. Comes out onto Seminyak Beach. Moonlight kitchen and bar here. Tour transportation service here. And then we have Sunset Beach by Mississippi. Very, very busy here. Ooh la la. Sunset Beach by Mississippi. Very busy now. And we'll just continue walking up the street now. Wow, lots of tourists on the street here. Okay, so just after walking up, I turned the camera off at the Royal Beach Seminyak Bali. And the security gate there. And we're going to continue walking along Jalan Camplung Tanduk. Okay, so just a bit further up the street we have Sendana Seminyak Bali. It's a very nice looking place this. I think this is relatively new. Looks busy as well. Very nice looking inside there. Seating at the front here as well. It's a beer bucket. 150k. There's quite a few tourists in there. Nice. Look at the traffic. Hello. Continue walking up the street. Okay, so just a bit further up the street we have a place called the Puri Sedana. Massage also there. Maybe that's a hotel accommodation, not too sure. And we're coming to one of the gelato ice cream places. That's the gelato ice cream. Lots of tourists again there. Wow. Dulce Gelato, that one's called. That's the name. And then just here we have the Dua Shisha and the Grand Mas Hotel. Okay, so this is the gelato ice cream here. We have the Dua Shisha restaurant, and then we have the Grand Mas Hotel. I've actually just featured the Grand Mas Hotel in a video. Lots of tourists on the street here. we're going to continue walking. Okay, just cutting across on the other side of the street now. We have Tana Maria here. Little restaurant, drinking place with a little cart there. Seating. We're going to head across on the other side. We have the Blue Zia Resort here. Just on the other side we have the Courtyard by Marriott. Just over there. Nice looking hotel, that 4-5-star hotel. And just on my right hand side here we have the Blue Zia Resort. Just in the back there. Nice looking resort, that one. Wow, so many tourists on the street tonight. It's very nice to see. I love filming while it's like this. We have the Palace Greek Tavern connected with the Blue Zia. So customers are waiting to get seated here. Look at the menu. Monday, 199. Some wraps there as well. Wow, super busy in there. Yeah, very busy. Wow, busy in there. Looks as though they're just setting up for the music. Hello. Have the group there. Okay, so just continuing up the street, I want to take you and show you this place. This is a place called Nighlife Fine Art and Photography. There's some beautiful pictures available for you to purchase in here. And the images there. Many images. All available in the shop in there. Oh, look at that. So look back from Nighlife, we have the Star Mart there. Some tourist goods shops on the other side. Okay, Ink. A Circle K convenience store here. Some tourist goods shops, ladies' clothing, ladies' dresses, lots of things. Hello, how are you, madam? Good?
Hello.
Hello. And then here we have Carla Spa. Hello, good evening, ladies. How are you? You have the Bali love. Woo! Carla Spa, probably the #1 spa in Bali, this. Hello. We have some more Carla Spa girls here. Hello. Woo! And we have the boys here. Hello. We just continue walking. We're going to cut across back on the other side of the street here. So just cutting across here. This is part of the Seminyak Paradiso Hotel. Buy one, get one free on the cocktails there. B6 Seafood and Grill. That's the name of the place. That's the inside seating area. A few tourists inside there. Just show you the pizzas. And that's all part of the Seminyak Paradiso Hotel, which is just in the back there. Just give you a look at Carla Spa from across the street. There it is, Carla Spa, the most popular spa in Bali actually. We're going to cut back across the street here now. We have Amber Dong Rung. Oh, there's nobody in there. It's normally busy, this one. Wow, that's surprising. Special of the day. Appetizer, spring rolls. Thai. More tourist goods shops here. Only inflatables, glasses, some stuff there. The Mini Mart convenience store. Branded Ink Tattoo Studio. Oh, this is a nice one. Some of the handbags and things here. Wow, nice collection of handbags. Louis Vuitton, Chloe, Christian Dior, any in there. Lots of running shoes and trainers as well, I see. Salomon, Louis Vuitton. Oh, very, very nice. Kids, ladies, men's, all different ones available in there. And we're going to head across to Branded Ink. So that's the Branded Ink Tattoo Studio. Walk-ins welcome. Walk-ins welcome. It's Australian owned, this. Nice looking tattoo studio. And then just across the street here we have Capri. Wow, it's very, very nice. Just go across and show you Capri. It's quite busy inside Capri. It's actually full with tourists in there. Have the freshly made pizza. Margarita. Yeah, busy in there. Nice to see. Hello. 2-for-1 lunch deals. A few inside there. Have some more tourist goods shops. Just go across. So there's the Branded Ink Tattoo Studio. Some more tourist goods shops here. Ladies' clothing. Beautiful Bali ladies' hat there. Nice men's hats as well. Some nice ladies' beachwear styling. Very, very nice. The motorbike helmets and things there. Handbags, lots of sports shirts all along the side there. T-shirts, singlets. Just turning around, we have an authorised money changer. We have the Shisha house. I'm going to show you the authorised money changer. I think this is a legitimate one. There's the exchange rates on the board today. Not today, brother. I'm just showing your rates. And here's the Shisha house. Hello, good evening, girls, ladies. How are you? Do you have the barley loaf? Woo! Can I just show your menu, yeah? Can I just show this? There we are, choose your meals. Oh, a nice choice of food here. Fish and chips. It's all available inside there.
Maybe wanna see upstairs?
Can I go inside, yeah? So they've said we can go inside. I'll follow you. Oh, they have the Shisha here. Very beautiful decoration on the wall. Follow this lady here. The Shisha house. And there we are, we've arrived upstairs now. All the different Shishas here. Hello. Oh, we have the beautiful seating areas upstairs here. Wow. Some nice.
Room VIP.
Okay, this is the room VIP, she says. Wow. Ooh la la, look at this. Very, very nice. Nice inside here. Oh, beautiful lighting up above as well. Beautiful seating areas. Some nice little sitting areas in here also. Wow. And we have a garden seating area outside here with the soft cushion beanbags. And here's a look back at our seating up here. Very, very nice. Wow. Okay, so just coming out of the Shisha now.
Okay.
Thank you so much, yeah. Just coming out now. So we have all of our tourist goods shops across the street here. Go and take you and show you there. So nice of the Shisha house lounge and restaurant to take us inside. And then we're going to have a look now at some of the tourist good things here. Lots of trainers and shoes, sports shirts and things in there. Very nice. Hats and things here as well. More shoes. Some caps and things. Bali t-shirts in there. How are you, brother? You good? Good. Handbags, sunglasses, hats, caps. All your typical tourist goods that you see. How are you, brother? You good? Good. good. No, thank you. Here we have a tourist information tour booking service. Come and see this man here. Hello, hello. And here we are, Shisha House. We're going to continue across the street now. This place is called, oh, I'm not sure what this is called. So this is Kami, I think it says on there. Nice unique seating areas in there. Some people sat inside as well there. Hello. Some tourists up there as well. It's Kami. More tourist goods shops here. We're getting close to where we're going to finish tonight's video now. Just up here on the right. Another tourist information tour booking service here. A market area in here. Lots of shops selling all sorts of tourist goods in here. So just walking up the street, we have lots more of the same here. Tourist goods shops. Ladies' clothing. Look, that one we've just seen, that dress. All sorts of stuff here. Very big, deep shops with lots of stuff available in there. Oh, we're going to cut across the street. Okay, so we've just come from this direction here, and then I've just cut across on the other side of the street. We have the Lucky Day Bar and Restaurant. It's not too busy in there at the moment. Some more tourist goods shops, bars across the street there. The pharmacy, apothec, hopefully none of you never need to use that. Salty Studios. Let me just go and show you this place. We'll start at Salty Studios because it looks a very unique, nice place. Very nice inside of there. Oh, it's tattoos. Sharp Edge Barber. Very nice that. Wow, so unique. Ladies' clothing shop here. Sale on the items start from 100 to 200. And then here's where we're going to finish tonight's video, the polo shop. So there it is, the polo shop. I don't think this is the original Ralph Lauren. I think it's Bali's some like version of it. 50% sale in there. Very, very nice. And then for the next video, we'll be heading in this direction along Jalan Camplung Tanduk.